Hey, do you want to create an amazing audio spectrum? If so, stick around because in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create this in After Effects. Now to get started, create a new project and import your audio file. Then drag it to the timeline. Here, create a new solid layer of any color and name it Audio Spectrum. Now head over to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Audio Spectrum. Drag the effect onto your newly created solid layer. Now having your solid layer selected, go to your Effects control. Here, select your audio file whose spectrum you wanna create. Now set start and end point where you want the frequency visuals to start and end. Similarly, by changing start and end frequency, you can change what range of frequencies you wanna display in your spectrum. Now if you want a detailed spectrum, you can increase frequency bands. Just play around with numbers and see what feels best for you. Then adjust the maximum height of the frequencies. Also, you can even choose how fast these visual frequencies appear by changing the audio duration. Greater the number, slower the spectrum. So if you want the spectrum to be smooth, just increase the number. Now choose the inside and outside color for the spectrum. If you want multicolor spectrum, then just play around with hue, interpolation, rotation bar. It will give different results. Or you can even add gradient ramp effect to your spectrum to make it even cooler. Customize other settings like thickness, softness, display options to get the desired look. Lastly, add deep glow effect to your solid layer to add glow to your audio spectrum. So this is how you can create an audio spectrum in After Effects.